Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. So today is another What's New This Week. First and foremost, I have to apologize. I did not get Friday's swimsuit video up and I am so incredibly sorry. I was very sick this past week and I couldn't film it. I filmed nothing. I was not on social media at all. I had the flu, so thank God it wasn't the coronavirus. I did the coronavirus test because I was thinking, please, dear God, you know, I mean, here in Texas, it's just like, it's a pandemic. Well, it's a pandemic everywhere, but here in Texas, our cases just jump and jump and jump. Let's talk about what's going on this week. Monday, I will be doing the swimsuit video. So it will go up Monday because I don't want y'all, I'm gonna try and do 2 fashion videos for you this week. Monday's is already filmed, so I know you'll have that Monday. And then Wednesday, I am doing an eye tutorial using oranges. You know, I'm such a sucker for orange right now. I love it. There's so many beautiful pieces. And this dress right here that I'm gonna show you was my inspiration, the one from Amazon. It's so gorgeous and I love the colors. So I wanted to create an eye look based on that particular dress. And then on Friday, it's gonna be one of 2 things. So bear with me, it's gonna be a surprise for you because I'm not sure how much energy I will have. This is the first day that I've actually gotten up, gotten dressed, and done anything. So it will either be a fashion video and it will be on eyelet. I'm a sucker for eyelet, you know that, I love it. It will be everything from dresses to shorts to shirts, or it will be a hair tutorial using Pretty Pony. This is the Ruby hair extension because I told you when I did that first video, if you haven't seen it, I will place it here, that I needed 2 of them. So it will come in on Tuesday. So I'm thinking I may do a tutorial on that, showing you how it looks with 2, because I know that they have a deal. You can still use my coupon code, and they have a deal where if you buy 2, it's like buy 1, get the other one half off, and then you can still use my coupon code. Yay. Only if you need it, because if you have thin hair, then I think it'll be perfectly fine. If you have thick hair, you need 2. So it's going to be one of those 2 videos. I'm going to do both videos. It's just a matter of which one I'll have up Friday, if that makes sense. So now let's talk about what came in this week. Okay, there was a lot of stuff that came in. A lot of it will be in the videos because I'm also doing a shorts video. So I have not forgotten about that. Stuff just keeps coming in. But I did get a couple new pieces of Kendra Scott jewelry. I know, but things go on sale. And I told you I was gonna do these. So here's the earrings. I wanted to show them to you. I told you I was buying them. They came in. These match perfectly with this bracelet. And again, as far as I know, it's still on sale. I mean, look at that. I should have worn that. Why didn't I put that on? Well, I'm putting it on now. So beautiful, love it. And then a new necklace came in. I needed more gold necklaces. For some reason, I have an abundance of silver and not gold. This comes in silver and gold, and it is a hammered, and it's beautiful. What I love about it is it has the toggle. So you can, so that you can see here, you can just pull this little, see that? And then it goes up and down. And then there's 2 little beads at the, or not little, like 2 little gold beads at the end. So you can, let me show you. I'm gonna put it over here. I got a lot going on with my hair. I got big hair today. I got Texas hair today. So what you can do, so you can have it super long, right? I'm not wearing the right dress to show this. And this under so that you can see this necklace a little bit better. So what you could do is wear it super long like a pendant, or you take these little toggle. You take the little toggle and just pull to your desired, see? Look how gorgeous that, oh, that's beautiful. That hammered gold is so beautiful. I have it on the side because you know it's a little hard with my arm. And then you could just turn it here. So you can see, you can just pull it up as high as you want or as low as you want. Look at that, so gorgeous. So pretty, right? Oof, I want to wear it. I'm mixing metal today, y'all. I'm doing it, I'm mixing metal. Beautiful, and they have it in silver and gold. God, which makes me really want to get the silver one too. Okay, so that was the jewelry that came in. Some earrings came in, but I am going to show you these in the Amazon. I'm going to show them in the swimsuit haul. They're so awesome. So be sure to check that out. And then some sandals came in that are a dupe for Tory Burch, because this is my Tory Burch sandal. Kind of looks similar, don't you? $20. and I'm gonna talk about it right now. So these are 20 bucks, y'all. 20 bucks. I got them from that Versona. Told you I've been checking that place out. And these are cushioned. The only thing is size up half a size. They are a narrow foot. Don't get me wrong, so are the Tory Burch. I mean, you could see that, let's see. Yeah, they're as narrow as the Tory Burch. I would just go up half a size with these. So I got them in the white, and it has the gold hardware, and then I got them in the brown, which also has the gold hardware as well. So they're super cute, right? I mean, super cute for 20 bucks. You know, they're just adorable. And then I got them in the white. So cute. Look at those. Aren't they so cute? But yeah, you definitely need to go up half the size. They're so cute. The other dress that I showed you in the black and white haul was out of stock. So I ordered this one because I just am obsessed with little white dresses. I think they're so nice and cute. So this one is so beautiful. It has these little, sort of almost like pom-poms, but they've been like cut off, like almost. That's what it looks like. And super airy. Now I will say, if you have super thick, big arms here, like you got some guns, this would be tight. So you just have to be careful here because this is not elastic. And then it does have the buttons down the front. It does have a little tie. The thing is, it doesn't cinch in. That's the thing. It is fully lined, but really cute. And it's just this really flowy, cute little dress. Now, how I would truly wear it is how I'm showing it here with the pair of Sam Edelmans, which I'm showing you right here because that's how I would wear these. But they look cute with a pair of sandals as well. And so this came in also. And then I did get in a new pair of sunglasses from Key. Here's the thing, I own these. This will be my third pair, but I need a new pair. I am very, very hard on them. So these are awesome. I love the aviators. They're super comfortable. They've got good quality to them, and black is my favorite because it goes with everything. So I'm obsessed with them. I love them, and so I picked up a new pair for this year. So those came in. They come in a little pouch, which wouldn't it be great if I actually used it? Maybe I will. Maybe I'll actually use it. I wish I was that good. I'm really hard on things. Things need to be tough because I'm hard on them. Now, I did get some new makeup in. So a glossy box came in. There was a Kiss Proof Lip Cream. This is by Bella Peirre Cosmetics. I had never heard of them before. And this is in the color Antique Pink. It is what I have on. It is a matte. I love the color, right? Really pretty. Let me swatch for you. Doe Foot Applicator. These colors are just gorgeous. It will dry down to a matte, excuse me. And let me come in. Super pretty, right? All right, so we're gonna do a kiss proof test. Now I have lip liner on, so that's not gonna count, but let's kiss the hand. Look, the only thing you see is the lip liner. That's funny. So it is, it's kiss proof. Awesome. Well, that's good. Good to know. So it is kiss proof. I'm gonna just, and I will say, you see this? It is, see, it lasts. You gotta kind of scrub. And I just had it on there for a second. So it is really one of those ones that lasts a while. It's not super soft on the lips, so I'm not sure how drying it will be. At the end of the month when I do favorites, fails, and empties, I will let you know. Right now, first impression, love the color, love the fragrance of it, by the way. It smells divine, like you want to eat it. And yeah, so it's good. Okay, some other makeup that I got on. Okay, y'all know that I'm super, super, super obsessed with Figs and Rouge, the Illuminating drops, right? Love these. I showed you how I did a video on how to get that glowy summer skin, and this is the product that I use. The problem with this is from the UK. I got it in a glossy box, so it's really hard to find here. So what I did was order a couple other products that are similar to that, Illuminating drops. I got one that is by L'Oreal. This is called True Match Lumi Glotion. And it is, I got the medium glow, 903. This is what I have on today. Beautiful. If y'all want me to do, what I'm going to do, I think, is do some comparisons. I have not tried the Josie Maran. I think this is a, yeah, this is a highlighter as well. Let me show you. Well, here, let me show you. Okay, so this one here is the L'Oreal. Really pretty, right? Just gives it that beautiful glow. Now this is different than the Figs and Rouge, because the Figs and Rouge came out like a sort of a pink color. And then this is Josie Maran. Josie Maran right here. So that one's even, so just two different shades. But you can see the brilliance of it. So I haven't tried the Josie Maran. That one just came in. It's a little bit lighter, you could see, than the L'Oreal. The L'Oreal is beautiful. It gives a definite glow because it's luminescent. So I'm gonna try these out. I'm probably gonna do a separate video and let y'all know and show you which one works best. Let me get this off my, so when I'm wearing white, I'm like, why am I swatching? And then, okay, obsessed. Now, I once told you that makeup wipes to me or cleaning tissues, you know, the wet, they're all the same. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm taking back my words. I got these ones. These are called Peach Punch from Tony Moly. Obsessed with them. One, they're really, really good at getting stuff off. Two, smell exactly like peaches. Like, they smell so good, and they don't aggravate the skin. They're super soft, and I love Tony Moly products. So they're really, really good, and they smell like summer in a bag. So these are my favorite now. I never had a favorite. These are my favorite. So I will be repurchasing those because I'm obsessed with those. I did also pick up a new product for keto. For those of you that follow me, you know I do a keto diet most of the time when I'm not like have the flu and I'm eating saltines, because that's the only thing I can keep down. So I picked up by Slim Fast, I think it is, keto bombs. I got them off of Amazon, and they're like peanut butter cups. Now, here's the thing. If you go and you haven't been on keto and you try that, you're gonna go, these are horrible, they have no sugar in them. But if you're on keto and you're used to not having sweets, right, because that's the whole thing, then these taste very, very good. So, and they have a whole bunch of different ones. Those are really good. And then for the home, I picked up, running out of breath, y'all. From the home, I picked up a new wreath for my front door, so I'll show you a picture of that right here. And then for Father's Day, which is tomorrow, I just wanted to show you, because I didn't know if y'all knew. I didn't know they had, so I knew about Birkenstocks, obviously, but what I didn't know was that they actually have a pair for the pool. Like, these are like, they're meant to be worn like by the pool, or like you know, like on a lake or whatever, because if they get wet, they're not going to be ruined. And so I got these off of Nordstrom's, and I love this like army green. So I just wanted to show those to you in case y'all, and they have the no slip heel. So I thought those were kind of cool, and you know, in place of like, I mean, my hubby has like flip-flops and slides and stuff like that. I just thought this was a kind of I love the color. I love the army green. I don't see that very often. I'm excited for him to get those. Or in your case, it'll be today. All right, so that is it, guys, for what's new this week. I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, I do apologize for not having the swimsuit video up, but it will be up tomorrow. So don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss out on any videos. And I just wanted to show you my nails. These are the ones that I had picked up. These are the ones that I switched them out so that they're I thought they were actually a black, but what they are is a navy. How cool is that, right? They're kind of like a navy and then silver and then like sort of this iridescent white. So I switched those out. So yeah, I'm kind of having fun. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Happy Father's Day to all of you fathers out there. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.